Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show how to build your website mobile friendly. Okay, first you have to do your all editing and all stuff properly in your main website like I am doing here. You can just add anything or remove whichever you want to remove or add. I am doing like this. Here is my site ready. Actually, I am just showing. Let's first you have to publish your site. Okay, here I am publishing a site as mobile. Like here I am mobile. Okay, just I am saving. Here is our site saving and publishing. We can just go. We can just go to our site to preview. We can go to click on preview button and we can visit the site. Okay, this is site. We'll review like this. We can go to other options also. I can let's go to let's go back to the editor. Okay, and here you can see it is written to switch to mobile. We have to click this. Okay, like by clicking this switch to mobile, by just clicking this wait yes, by clicking switch to mobile it's come like this. You have to click on let's go, and then here it's saying to customize header. A first one it disappears. Okay, header will disappear and then it will come slowly like this. Then header will be fade out. You can see like this, and header will be fixed in this. Yes, I like this one. Like it will look pretty. I will do next. Then it is showing position of quick action button. I should place like this bottom on the down bottom. Okay, it will be good. It will look good. Let's customize this. Just arrow one. We have to do a knot. This is looking good. We can do like next. Then we can go to mobile editor tool, and here it came. Okay, we can edit by using our editor. The product or the site we will edit, that will be not change in desktop mode. Okay, we can just add here like we have in this site. We have like stay connected buttons. We can just change it or remove it. Okay, I am removing and then adding a social bar that look good. In this we can add like social simple. It's looking good, better than this one because it's like colorless. We can just click this social button here, or we can just put it like here. It's looking good here also. We can just add a section or we can extend it. We will extend a little bit. It's looking nice, and we have here like this. Okay, and we can add also sections just clicking on this add to mobile, and then you can add images also. By using this we can edit like this, happy couple images and many other images. Which image we want, you can search or upload to your default uh, system, or importing by Google Drive, Instagram or Facebook. And we can add menus in this site also. Like you can add a card page, edit card page like this. You can edit the card page. You can edit the thank you page also. This is the thank you page. It's loading. Here I have not edited. Like you can like this product name, and this it's here. Okay, we can change backgrounds also. Like we will go to our product page. Simply by clicking we can go to product page and we can change backgrounds. Here it's looking, we can take this background. This is looking okay. We can change to this. It's looking good, but not suits our background. We can add also this video also. Okay, this video is like this. It will play. Let's save it. Okay, let's publish it and see as the site go live. We can just visit the site. Oh, it's my PC. We cannot see. We can see on my mobile phone. But as you can see, we have edited in that. That is not coming in this PC option because it will come only in mobile. Okay. So if you find the video helpful, then please like, subscribe and share this video.